Everybody, I did not feel like shooting this video, but here I am, and I'm wearing this cute top, and I'm gonna style my mother's sari petticoat as a skirt. So keep watching. I feel like because I slept very late last night, I don't feel very well rested, and I haven't journaled as well. So yeah, and last night I had a long conversation with my sister about how I should about clothes, and it was like too much, and I was like, oh, should I wear what I want, and should I la 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 la. But yes, I should. You, and I'm sharing this with you. If someone's telling you to stop wearing what you want, it is in that small moments that your power get taken away. First they tell you that don't wear this, don't talk like that, don't walk like that, don't dance like that, don't like, and then slowly you start to lose yourself. So you're allowed to wear whatever you like, okay? Now I'm gonna show you how to style a petticoat as a skirt. मत उसको बिल्कुल भी
करो। अभी वीडियो स्टार्ट है। पकड़ लो उसको।
नहीं, बिल्कुल मत छूना, मैंने उसको अच्छे से सेट करा हुआ है। मत करो बच्चे।
हेलो। नाइस टू सैटरडे फॉर इंडिया।
और पर ये ज़रूरी भी नहीं है कि अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलो तभी आप समझदार बच्चे हो, या फिर तभी आप प्यार के लायक हो। Hey everybody, so now my skirt is ready, and it's a very raw video that I just wanted to shoot, and I'm just glad I did it, even though I was not feeling like. नहीं दिख रहा,
मुंह नहीं दिख रहा।
अब दिख रहा है?
No.
And it would be my absolute honor to support you on your journey. If you'd like to book a one-on-one session with me, link is in the description. In order to dive deep into your fears, into your anxieties, to have a safe space to share your traumas and move through them for intuitive guidance, clarity on next step. I would love to be there and to guide you, to hold safe space for you. And in order to invite good energies into your life, you can also check out my magic paintings. When you keep my magic paintings around in your home space, in your office space, it brings so much of good energy. You can also gift it to your loved ones. I have 4 magic paintings. Number 1, I am safe, I am supported, which is going to help you. If you grew up in emotionally abusive home, you went through a lot of sexual abuse and trauma, and you were surrounded by emotionally immature people that damaged your self-esteem, this painting is gonna bring so much of self-loving energies into your life. Another painting that I have is taking a leap of faith on myself, and also another one which is I owe nothing to anybody. These 2 paintings are going to be pushing forward you into like taking bigger leaps and push you into like fully going into all on your passion. It's gonna bring so much of courageous, confident energy, like they are magic, super powerful. Another painting I have is God's ease, God's peace, God's prosperity, effortlessly flowing in every area of my life. It's gonna like bring the energy of things happening on its own for you, like material